mate.
Check it out. Fucking snail on it. So Connor just got back last night from Edinburgh. Mad, wasn't it?
Yeah, mate. Fucking long trip.
Long trip. So, him and Chris went to Edinburgh to pick up this mad car. I don't even really know what it is yet, apart from the fact that, what is it? It's a manual single turbo.
Manual from standard.
Yeah.
Single turbo, and was once imported.
It's bad boy though, isn't it?
Yeah, she's naughty.
She's naughty. So we're just gonna wait for Chris to turn up and see the car and show you lads. Do a few cinematics, go for a drive and a rip, and see what it is. I'm pretty excited. It's got to be Jap though, isn't it? Definitely Jap. Yeah. So maybe he's bought another Skyline again. You don't remember he used to have a Skyline on I-34? That was naughty. So maybe he's gone back. Cause I know recently he was on about it again, wasn't he?
Yeah, mate.
He's on about Skylines and that. He loved that Skyline.
It, didn't
yeah.
He? Yeah.
So I don't know. I reckon he's done it again. We'll wait and see though. Because the only things that I could have a bit is like Supras and things like that. That's pretty mad. Imagine a Supra. That'd be pretty naughty. Just literally checked on the maps and apparently he's just literally here around the corner. So he's gonna be coming in any minute. He always says he was like over there by Embankment, but I don't know. I want to know where he is. Oh mate, I'm keen as hell to see this. Buzzing. Oh, literally just had to go put another battery in the camera because it was about to die, but apparently he's here. What's up? Oh mate. RX-7. Look at that! Hell!
She's cool.
Oh mate. Look at the state of that then.
It's naughty, isn't it?
Look at the wang on it. Fucking hell. Size of it. Yeah, to the boy.
That's naughty, isn't it?
So what was it? Manual, single turbo.
Mate, you wanna...
Go on then, you're gonna fire up?
No, I wanna show you the turbo first.
A turbo? Big boy.
I've never seen a turbo this big.
Nah, no idea.
Let's have a look then.
Shit it out. Fucking snail on it.
Mate, that's massive. How much power is it running?
About 450.
Mate, that turbo's got to be at least like a 600-700 horsepower turbo, isn't it?
Don't know, mate, but she's definitely up there.
She's definitely up there. Hell, that makes you feel like it's someone out of Fast and Furious right now.
Mate, he messaged me again last night, right?
Yeah.
But these wheels are like 70%.
What, like Volt Greys or something?
No, they're Nagasaki or something wheels.
Oh, that genuine, like from imported from
mate,
Japan.
I don't really understand, but he said they're super lightweight wheels.
Mate, look at the exhaust. Just fat as hell, isn't it? Mate,
No.
massive.
No, I don't think you quite understand, mate.
What, the pipe?
Have a look at this. This is a downpipe, mate.
Oh, yeah.
State of that.
Oh, shit. Mate, was that 4 inch? Straight through down the pipe. God, what's she like on a cold start? Is it loud?
I don't know, it's alright. The thing is because these had a common issue of, they're two oil injectors onto the rotors.
Yeah.
And basically the lines go really brittle and
Yeah.
it can cause engine failure. So basically what this guy's done, he's done a oil delete, mate.
Oil delete?
Yeah, so you have to run it with 2-stroke oil.
What the fuck?
Honestly.
What, really?
You run it with 2-stroke oil in the fuel.
Look down the ped shop and pick up some
Yeah,
two-stroke.
literally. Mate, he's hell of a nice bloke. He filled it up for me.
Oh, legend.
Everything.
What
I've got a
nice
fucking
guy.
ton of spare parts at the back.
Lovely, mate. Fire up then.
The thing is,
Oh, mate, look at that thing shooting up.
Mate.
Whoa.
JDM as fuck.
JDM's fuck, mate. She a lot then. Oh yeah, proper rotary, mate. Listen to her fire up. I bet she's loud when she revs out, won't she?
You've never had anything like it.
Oh fuck. Mate, look at this. Proper old school.
Mate, look at the mileage. That's in kilometres.
That's 60,000 kilometres.
That's like
How much you pay for this?
Mate, that's like 40,000 miles.
Mate, this has got to be like a 20k car, isn't it?
It's up there.
It's up there, mate, for the mileage and everything.
Mate, and the biggest thing about this car, right?
It's stock from manual from stock.
It's a factory manual.
What?
No auto box, no fucking conversion. It's a factory manual.
Mate, that's mad.
That's why I went to Edinburgh, mate.
That is not, yeah, yo. What time did you leave? You found out about it at what time and then you left at when?
I saw it at 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
Me and Connor on the road at 11. I booked a
Connor's like, yeah, boy.
I booked a hotel literally.
No, he said you was in there for about 2 hours.
3 hours.
3 hours.
In the hotel 3 hours, straight up, bought it off him. Had a right
mate.
nightmare getting on the trailer because it's got fucking 4-inch downpipe. Doesn't fit.
Mate, that is mad. Hey, that wing is something else, isn't it? Hey, we could all have dinner on this fucking wing, lads. Honestly, we're gonna get a table and just
lovely,
get
isn't
a
it?
seat and just literally.
Mate, how nice is this car though?
Yeah, it's nice.
This is one of the bucket lists, another tick.
Another tick gone. Is it?
Ready, Luke?
Yeah, go on.
Hey!
Mate, that's sick. Go on, Ad. Hear it. Whoa! You know, she pops in flames or not? Mate. That was naughty. That sounds sweet. I say odds on he won't do a Bernie, innit?
He probably will.
Hey, odds on he does a Bernie. You're not doing one?
A few moments later.
Oh mate, that's sick. They're a proper one, is he? Alright, let me get it from behind if you're gonna do another one. Let me do it from behind. Go on, Dad. Oh mate. Alright boys.
Hell.
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 See what she's like.
She's noisy girl.
Mate, it's gonna be bad, isn't it? Mad.
She's noisy.
God, she is rocky, isn't she?
Yeah, she's solid.
She is real solid. Hey, those noises.
Oh mate, you wait.
She rip, I bet she fucking
She
pulled it.
fucking rips.
Mate, what the? Mate, that sounds mental. What the? Mate, I have not heard nothing like that.
You heard anything like that?
Fucking hell. Mate, listen to the state of it. Whoa. Give her a rip.
That's fucking mental.
Mate, that is absolute madness. Woohoo! Jesus! Mate, that is mad. That is mad.
Have you ever heard anything like
What
it?
do you like? What is it compared to your Nissan Skyline you had?
Oh, it's not as fast.
It's not as fast, but like
No,
sound-wise,
no,
I think
noise,
the
yeah.
noise. Wow. Mate, that is literally unbelievable. Woohoo! Mate, that is so sick. That is naughty. What an animal this is. Mate, that fucking noise. Blood, that noise.
Mate, honestly, the noise.
The
it's
noise is
mental,
absolutely incredible. Mate, that noise, you literally, that is up there.
Mate,
That is up there.
have you heard
That is,
anything like it?
mate, pure JDM filth, this is.
JDM.
Jesus Christ. Mate, look at a big wang sticking out the back as well. So sick.
Is that a
Straight over the speed bump, is it?
Oh, hell, I forgot about these actually.
That's not good news. Hey, you go through the centre of Plymouth like this. Oh, it's because of the back down pipe, there's a pipe in that. Oh, she is low. Mate, everyone looks at it. Is that an RX-7, bro? Fuck a Supra.
Is that a Supra? No, bro.
Just look at the state of this in a bad boy, and obviously got. So does this measure like your oil temps and everything?
Yeah, it's just like knock sensor, boost, air temperature, engine revs, ignition degrees,
Lovely.
balance, ignition duty.
It's a good job you got that then, really, because you can literally keep an eye on everything like that.
Because these like to get hot.
That's getting real hot. headlights on this thing are so damn cool. The thing is, you got one little blip in this, not hit boost, is that what?
What's 30 mile an hour in kilometres? I don't know.
Oh, is that all in kilometres, is it?
That's the
Kilometres an hour.
all the speed of.
She's a rare pack.
It's very cool, isn't it? Have you ever heard anything
Hey, even
like
that noise, it's like just before boost and you let it off. Mate, it's the fucking hell of a... Mate, fuck VTEC or anything like that.
Fuck VTEC, mate.
This is like
Oh, mate.
holy, mate. This is like
not good
one
on
of the
fuel, though.
craziest cars I've ever been. How much have you rinsed already? That much?
Quarter of a tank.
They're gonna quarter tank done like what, 10 miles?
10 miles.
What the fuck? Mate, I don't know about you, but that is bad. Oh, I keep thinking where the door handles are because they're right here like this. How weird's that? That's so cool. Oh, mate, that's low getting out of that, isn't it? Low, that is bad, boy. Holy moly. Boys, there it is then. That's the RX-7. What do we reckon?
I think it's cool, mate.
If you guys want to see a review on that, I'll go out with Chris or something. I'll take it for a review and we'll do a full review on that. So let us in the comments down below if you want to see a full-blown review on a car, outside shots, burnouts, whatever you don't want to see. We'll get it. We'll get on
Not
it.
too many burnouts.
Oh, not too many burnouts because he's already lined up tyres too much.
That's because the tyres bug anyway.
Yeah.
But they're all cracking on the outside edge, so
Yeah.
I got to put new ones in anyway.
You know what I'm saying? You might as well send it. Yeah, there you go, guys. What do you reckon? Chris went up to Edinburgh, mental hours in the morning. Lastminute.com.
There's 188 comments on the sale post
For that car.
in 10 minutes.
Factory manual,
Literally.
single turbo RX-7.
Yeah.
Hell.
Very cool.
What a motor.
I've got to get a Supra now, and then that's the free JDM.
The JDMs you've had. Yeah, let us know. Comment below, because we want your interaction. We want you guys to let us know if we should do a full review on it. And what other cars you want to see a review on. But yeah, let us know. But yeah, go on, Chrissy G, end off the video every time, mate. Go on, do it with a bit more enthusiasm this time, because every time you're like, oh, do it.
Go on, give it a like!
Yeah.
Give it a comment!
Yes, and
Fucking show your mates!
What about that?
Fucking bell it!
no, subscribe.
Subscribe, mate.
They've got
I don't know,
subscribe.
this is your
To be
doing.
fair though, lads, what are we on now, subscribe-wise, Chris?
I don't know, what is
About
that?
570, mate.
Is it?
I think it's 570.
Cool, mate.
Oh, 564 is it? 564. So, what have we got
Oh,
coming?
doing a giveaway.
We're doing a giveaway. So we'll let you know what the giveaway is going to be in the next video. But it's
We're
going to
do a giveaway.
it's gonna be about-
free prizes, free places, and they're all pretty cool.
They are cool, aren't they?
They are very, very cool.
So we're going to be running it off the YouTube, the Instagram, and the Facebook. We're going to be doing it all off from. But obviously, all the videos. We'll basically put the video up saying what you got to do, how to enter, etc. on all
Also
three
as well-
on all three platforms.
Also, as well, we're going to do like a Christmas bundle giveaway.
Oh yeah, that'd be cool.
We're going to do some we'll do like a bit of a cash giveaway.
I think I'll love
Do
it.
some, what do you reckon?
Dunno.
We'll do some cool bits and bobs.
Yeah, let us know. What do you reckon? What would you guys like to see as a giveaway? Let us know in the comments down below, innit?
They're all going to be like, give away the RX.
Give me an RX-7. Imagine that, Christ. But
Like,
yeah,
share, comment, win an RX-7, mate.
see ya in the next one.